Caught a trout without recording. I was trying to catch a bass on a bed and I caught a trout. The trout came out of nowhere. Alright, I'm gonna throw the huddle stick because I see a pretty good sized bass on a bed over here. Hopefully. Oh, it's a male and a female. Oh, these are probably too small to eat the HUD. My HUD is probably way too big for these guys. So I'm downsize and go to my rubble worm. Try these guys right here. These guys are a lot more closer. Alright. Oh. Already trying to hit it. The male's already trying to hit it. Oh, the female swam off. But can I get the male? Oh, the female's back. Alright. Oh, the female keeps leaving. Let's see if I can get this male. No interest on these? Alright, let's see if I can get one on here, over here. It's quite a bit of waves. It's kind of small. Let's see. Where's the male? I'm trying to find the male. Oh, the male's way back there. Nothing's working for these fish. Well, these fish aren't really in my caliber. But oh, try to smack the jig or the worm. No, it's jigging hard. Oh my god. The female down there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch to smaller plastic. Let's see if I got any. Oh, yes. Something that imitates a crawfish. Something bass don't like. Bass do not like crawfish. So hopefully this turns something around. Bass do not like crawfish, so let's see if that's true. Little crawfish, soft plastic going out. Oh my, he just grabs it. Oh well, he's pushing it off the bed. That's one thing. Pushes it off the bed. Picks it up. It's not doing it. It's not really like... He's just nudging it. Dude, okay, this bass is really now mad. Because it keeps engulfing the whole jig. Come on. bass. I don't even need to let the jig land on the bed. Oh my goodness. Holy bro. I want the female, but the male keeps biting. Oh my god. Dude. There we go. There you go. There you go. There's a bass. First bedfish of the year. Alright, here we go. Going back really quick. Okay. He should return, allowing me to catch the female. Oh yeah, he did return. I just need to know where the female's at. Alright, got one of the bedfish there. Let's try one of these guys. Because these guys are going to be the hard ones. Yeah, just sinking straight down. Oh my god, I got the male. Oh, he came off. He snapped my jig, but I got the male. Release him really quick, so then he could get back to spawning. Got one. I caught one on a bed. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little bass on the bed. This little crawl is getting the work done. It's a small one, but it looks like it wants to hit it.
So, you really gonna use a big old pedal stick for a little bass?
Yeah. Fishing the Tyrant 10 on a hangman kit, so I can get that nice, awesome topwater blow up. Ooh, it's causing the bass on the bed to be a little bit more interested.